Hey everyone, welcome back to Can Coffee. We got this Jura S9 here brought in because it was having Error 8 brew group issues, and also it was having difficulty where it was not priming. So we replaced the brew group, did a tune-up, descale, deep clean, got rid of that error, and we tried to actually, we took out the water filter and found that it was able to pump a lot better without it. And we tried even replacing the filter, but you really can't get the original one for these. I mean, the one you get from Jura now, it doesn't really work. The pump just has a hard time pulling the water through. So without the filter, it works just fine. So that's how we're operating it from now on. So let's make it work. There it is, Jared working once again. Thanks for joining the Can of Coffee. Please like our videos. If you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel.